Hello and welcome. It's Jilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Just coming to you with a little pour. I did a really cute little pour that I just did while I was just messing around here at the end of a paint day, and it just turned out so gorgeous. I wasn't thinking about it, I wasn't filming, I was just, you know, having a nice little pour time. Pouring my heart out as you do in your studio, you know, the things that we all love to do. And it just turned out lovely. So I'm going to recreate it because I put a photograph on it, social media, and got so much responses, you know, how do you do that? How? So I'm just hoping that I can repeat what I did today and or close to it to show you what I did. I had these colours mixed up, which were some of the custom colours that I've been working with this week on different pieces of art. Those were some of the custom colours that I've mixed up. If you want to take a screenshot, it just gives you my little recipe for the custom colours. And this Razzle Dazzle Red has just turned out just so beautiful in pours. So I definitely will be doing that one again. So I'm loving that. So anyway, I'm going to just use up some of these colours and see how I go. So just wish me luck for, I didn't even think about it before. So there you go. I've got this nice little gallery wrapped canvas and I'm going to, yeah, just see how I go, just try and relax about it, not think too much, because it seems that when you're thinking about it is when you don't get the same results, you know, when you're putting too much stress on yourself to come up with something. So we'll just see, hey? We'll just see how it goes. So that's just a bit of finger painting there with the colour that I have left over. And I'm going to use the red as I did mostly on the original one that everybody commented on. So this is the Razzle Dazzle Red, and it is really lovely colour. Really, it's so bright and vibrant, and it definitely wasn't showing it in the camera, the video camera. So I might try and bring down the camera closer. It seems to show up the colour better. But we'll see how we go. Anyway, so it's my Razzle Dazzle Red. It's stunning. It is razzling and dazzling. Oh yeah. See, yeah, there's no rules against using your fingers. You can use a spatula, as I often do. This is a smaller canvas, and today I fancied doing the using my fingers, so you can. Remember, your art room, your rules, your way. My art rooms, there's no rules, so there you go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Rightio, here's my Razzle Dazzle. Let's make sure I've got plenty of that on there. Just cover the canvas on it. Okay, and then I used some of this fluoro orange, my previous one. So it sort of didn't really do much. I just was adding bits of colour. I used a bit of this was a custom one that I poured a bit of my Berry Delicious into white. So that was in there too. And this is the Berry Delicious. And I'm going to put a bit of the emerald green in there, believe it or not. And a bit of the turquoise. I might put the turquoise over here. So I kind of did that. Now I'm having to think of what I did when I was just merrily going on my own way. I know I did a little swipe, so I will Maybe I should have swiped with the dark colour. This is a bit of the Berry Delicious that I have in this bottle, mixed with the Berry Delicious mixed with some Floetrol. So I'll just see if this is going to work. I've got any left? Come on, you beauty. No, it's not coming out. Let's see if I can get it out. The last bit's out of here. Ooh, okie doke. Then I kind of did a swipe. Like that. Wow. Add a little bit more of the, I don't think I put this in, did I? Silly duffer. I might go over that again. Oh, not wanting to come out. Rightio, let's see how we go now. And then I just kind of, well, it might do for me to leave this to dry off a little bit, but all I did previously was do a bit of smoochy with the small balloon. This is a balloon, I've just got a bit of water in it, and I sort of just did some things like this in it, and it just sort of took on its own life, the other one I did. So like I say, you can never get two the same, but I just smudged it, but it looks as though my paint needs to dry off a little bit, but that's still quite nice. I might leave that to dry off and then bring the camera down to show you. I will just, very vibrant. Bring the camera down. Come on down. So this is, yeah, I haven't left it yet. I've just brought the camera down after doing a few little swirls through it. But you see how vibrant that red is when you're, so this is showing it more now because you can see the glistening in it because I put copper in the cool red. So it's just a very simple smudge. I think the other one I didn't smudge nowhere near as much, but it's just a balloon smudge. And you can try and, you know, get fantastical and whimsical creatures in it, I suppose, because you can use a skewer. But it's sort of, when you don't think of it, it just kind of takes on a little life all of its own. So there you go. Alrighty, how simple was that? But it's very effective. So there you go. Lovely, bright, vibrant colour. You must try it. So that was the cool red mixed with, I think it was copper. I'll just check on my, or was it bronze? Oh yeah, metallic copper. So that's cool red and metallic copper. Oh, it's so sparkly. Looks like I've got a seahorse in there. And now the cells are popping up in the colours. Beautiful. Alrighty, that was a quick one for you. So hope that answered your questions of how I did the other one. But I didn't put as much colour in the other one. So there you go. Alright, until tomorrow. Bye for now. Take care.